जब से यूके गवर्नमेंट ने ये अनाउंसमेंट किया कि दे हैव फाउंड म्यूटेशन इन द नोवेल कोरोना वायरस, from that day onwards, not only UK or India but around the globe, people have been seen in strain. और जब अभी धीरे धीरे लगने लगा था कि everything will fall back into its own place, things look like upside down. Air passengers traveling to and from UK have been banned from traveling. Financial market seems like tumbling, and many more such economic activities have started to feel its effect back yet again. Now let us find out why this mutation in the novel coronavirus is such a big concern for all of us. Mutation in a virus is a very common factor responsible for evolution, but mutation in the spike protein of the coronavirus is a major concern, as it allows the virus to spread more rapidly, as it has the potential impact on the effectiveness of the medicine and vaccine. Many of them target the spike protein specifically. However, WHO experts have said that there is no such evidence yet that proves that there have been any severe disease or mortality rate have been increased due to this mutation in the virus. But still, the risk factor that implied for the novel coronavirus before the mutation happened, same thing is still applicable, and we need to take proper precaution by wearing mask and sanitizing our hands or the area we are exposed to, especially public area. Now let us know what are the protection or the measures that Indian government have taken to protect its citizen from this mutation of novel coronavirus. Firstly, 31 दिसंबर के बाद से यूके से आने वाले और जाने वाले जितने भी फ्लाइट्स हैं सारे इंडियन गवर्नमेंट ने बैन कर दिए हैं। सेकेंडली, 31 दिसंबर के पहले अगर उनका रिजल्ट पॉजिटिव आए तो उनका एक स्पेशल टेस्ट होगा जिसका नाम है जीनोम सीक्वेंस, और गवर्नमेंट ने सारे स्टेट्स को स्पेशल इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया है कि जितने भी यूके ट्रैवलर्स हैं उन सब को होम क्वारंटाइन नहीं, उन लोगों को इंस्टीट्यूशनल क्वारंटाइन में रखा जाए। चलिए अब जानते हैं कि जो वैक्सीनेशन नया बनाया जा रहा है पूरे दुनिया में, या जो मेडिसिन या ट्रीटमेंट दिया जा रहा है कोविड पॉजिटिव पेशेंट्स को, क्या ये व्यर्थ जाने वाला है? Experts have said that they can't claim it completely as it is still under studies, but an Indian vaccine maker have claimed that if they change the DNA of the vaccine, then they can create a strong vaccine for the mutation in the virus, which will take approx 3 months. Along with the earlier symptoms of COVID-19, that is fever, dry cough, loss of smell and taste, we have got more new symptoms for the mutation of novel coronavirus, and they are fatigue, loss of appetite, headache, diarrhea, then muscle pain, mental confusion. After listening to all the symptoms, don't get scared. Just keep a track how your body is performing or reacting, and if you find any symptoms, please make sure you go and visit doctor. But above all, please do try to keep your immune system stronger, and all this information will sound valid if you start taking proper precaution before stepping out of your home. So please do take care of your family, yourself and to your near and dear ones. And if you like my video and the contents I make, then please do share it with your friends and family, as it might help someone. Thank you for watching.